wig adventure. So today I have two choices of what I want to wear, and I'm not sure which one I want to wear. So I was not able to record it all last week, so I wanted to try to at least record a couple this week. Again, my room is upside down. I do want to I'm going to try to move things around a little bit and hide my mess, and at least show you guys my outfit of today. I just threw on some jeans, but I got this really pretty top on. So my cat knocked over a bunch of my wigs, and I was trying to pick them all up, and I found this beauty that I forgot all about. Now this, I wonder if anybody could guess what this is. This one's not talked about a lot. This is Estetica's Lachlan, and she came parted on the side, and I don't know if I choose to wear her today, if I'm going to keep her on the side, but I thought she would go really good with the blouse. She reminds me a little bit of Floor, but she's got a lace front and a full mono top, so I can move her around and make her a middle part. But isn't she gorgeous? I just thought she was gorgeous. But the other one that I thought might go better was Heidi from that lot that we bought at the local store. So I have Heidi as well. So I wanted to try these two on. Now, I absolutely love Lachlan, so if I don't wear her today, I am definitely wearing her this week. So I've got this orange necklace on. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it. And this, let me tell you what color this is. And actually, before I take her off, so this is R1226H. And it says it's a light brown with chunky golden blonde highlights. Let me just take you around just in case I don't wear her, just so you could see. So this is the right. Take you to the back. Let me see. I'll stand on tippy toes just in case, so you could see. And then to the left. Yeah, isn't she gorgeous? I love this. This is Lachlan. She reminds me a little bit too of Zara, of Jon Renau's Zara, right? This is Estetica's Lachlan. All right, but let's just try, because Heidi has a little bit of these orange colors in her. And she is this one here, Tutti Caramel. No, she is RMSANDBLND. So it's like an RMSANDBLND. Lace front from Vella Vella UHD. So that must be, I cut off the lace already, so it's the HD lace. So let's just try her on to see which one looks better. And I don't have, they're both lace, but I don't have my lace. You know what? Let me put the lace one on. I should put the lace one on. I should use it when I can, right? It's just the only thing is I don't line this up because, oh, let me see. I think this one has a side part, so we'll try. Let's try to line it up. Let's try. All right, so let's put it here. Okay. See, the only reason why I don't is because you see it's going to be all crooked. And then this over here, I'm going to just, yeah, so it's going to have all these. Let me just move it just a little bit more. It's not going to line up. Anyway, I'm not going to fight with that. But let's just put this on here. Okay. And then this, I think this one goes here. And this, I don't think this needs any, I don't think I need to do anything to it. I think this one I would glue down. I think I just need to position it where I want. It has the deep part. And this one is the kind that doesn't have any ears. So you put it wherever you want, right? And probably just need to fix this with, I don't know. I think this one goes better with the top, right? Because it has a lot of the colors in it. Yeah, let's see, do I have this positioned right? Yeah, okay, I think that. I think this goes better with the top, don't you think? Yeah, I think so. I don't really need to do anything to it. Should I glue it down? Should I glue it down? I don't think I need to. Right? Do I need to? I don't think I need to. It's got a good, you see the front? It's all lace. Let me show you all sides. And this has nice good colors underneath. Yeah, I love this. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put a little bit of color in this part. Oh, wait a minute, we've got a little bit of this here. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do, because you saw that, a little bit of that here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use my brush, or my hot air thing. I'm gonna put this piece in. Okay. I think this takes HD fiber. But I'm gonna just spray it a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna just comb it. Just take this off for a minute. If I could take it off for a minute. Come on. And then I'm just going to do this. And that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna do, because I didn't want it to fall over. And then I think I'm just going to put a little bit, let me fix this camera. Okay, I think that's better. I think it was a little forward, a little too much. Okay, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, right? A little bit of this in here. Right? I don't want it to be so noticeable. A little bit of that in there. Oop. Keep that down. Right, a little bit of that in there. Yeah, I think that hides it a little bit. Okay. And then I think that's it. I don't know, part of me sort of feels like I want to put the lace. Do I want, I'm debating like on gluing the lace down so that it lays flat. What do you guys think? Should I glue the lace down so that it lays flat? Because I feel a little bit like it's rolling up a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. That's it. And then I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my Shape and Hold. So I just want this right here. Yeah, I just want this right here to hold. Okay? I really don't want to spray. If I spray it with anything, it's just going to be some sea salt. I have a cover on this now. Just spray it with a little bit of sea salt. Yeah. I'm not spraying a lot, just a little bit of sea salt. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I love it. Okay, that's it. This is Heidi. Is Heidi moving? She doesn't seem to be moving. Yeah, she doesn't seem to be moving. So I think I'm okay. I love it. What do you guys think? What do you think? All right. This is Heidi from Vella Vella. I think it's Vella Vella. Sorry, the card fell. This is from Sensual, Tangle Free, Lace Front. Yeah, Vella Vella. I mean, that's what the card says. Hand-tied lace area, transparent UHD. Yeah, this is it. I love it. Super easy, right? Really nothing to do. Just comb, I didn't even comb her out. And I just have to tell you, all right, let me talk about the fibers for a minute. There's no texture to this. This is soft, very light. There's not a lot of density here. It's not a lot of hair. It's, let me see if I put it, this is all to the front. So if I put it, if I do like this, okay, this is it. It's very light. Very, very light. It's not massive hair. Very, very light, very soft. It's not textured at all. Okay. All right. This is it. This is my look for today. This is Heidi. All right. Thanks, everyone. I will come back tonight to let you know how she wore and let you know if I felt uncomfortable and if I glued the lace down or not. All right. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna come on, I'm gonna glue the lace down. So I just want to show you guys what I do. So I've got this new stuff I wanted to try. This is Kiss Almighty Bond Lace Front Wig. So I've got this side, and then this side is just a roll, and the reason why is only because you see it's lifting right there. And so I just want to put some, right here. So I'm just going to put some right in here. So I'm just going to roll it on right in here. Just this glue. Okay. Is it coming out? Yeah, it's just a glue. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wasn't coming out before. Okay, just gonna put that right there. Just glue it on. And then I'm just gonna press this down. It's just because it's just lifting right there. So I'm just gonna glue that little part down. Okay? Just that little bit apart. That's it. The rest of it, it's not moving at all. Over here. Oh yeah, maybe over here. Yeah, it's just this part of the wig is lifting. So we're just gonna do this over here. Okay. And we're just gonna do this. And we're gonna glue it down. Okay. I don't want the hair. I just want the lace. Okay. All right. All right. I just wanted to show you guys that. I just decided to glue it down. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Okay, everyone. I think I did a decent job. I don't know if you could see my pile of clothes over here that have to get hung up. If you can, that's, I literally dumped the bin of summer clothes because I needed to fill it up with the, you know, I had to fill it with the winter clothes that were coming out of the closet. So this is the outfit. I did end up pinning everything back and, you know, doing a little more touch up with the glue and, you know, doing it a little more proper than, you know, doing it the lazy way. So I pinned all this back and glued it on and let it dry a little bit before. So this is the outfit. I loved these shoes. I don't know if you could see them. They got like little openings on the side. These shoes were really cute. I felt like jeans today. And I just love this little top. It's got wide sleeves. It's just nice and flowy. Hides all my fat. My little plus size body. So this is my outfit for today. I love this. I think it goes perfect. And I wanted to show you too, I got this new, let me take one off. So see, it's got the hooks, like the ones I have on the wall. This is a new rack I got. And it fits 20 wigs. So this is a new stand that I got. Yeah, so this is in addition to these other ones, that these ones here, these are just like hat coat racks that just have the things here. These only fit 12. So I got this new wig stand here. This new hat, it's a hat stand, this one's called. So it has the hooks that, you know, like the ones that I have on the wall. All right, so I will come back tonight and let you know how Heidi wore. All right, thanks everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, where's my thing? Hi everyone. It is the nighttime and this is Heidi at night. And I really liked her today. I think I put too much glue in right here though. I had to pull it out a lot today. But yeah, she didn't go. I gotta figure out how I gotta start lifting it up. I gotta figure out how to unglue it. But I liked her. I even put, when I cleaned up for dinner or something, I even put her up like this. I put a clip when I was cooking. I put her up like this. I liked it. Put a clip in the back. I almost when I went to my second job, I almost put her up like this because this piece was hanging a little bit, bothering me. So, excuse me, I almost did like this, but I didn't. Oh, I got the hiccups. But yeah, this was Heidi. I really liked her. So I enjoyed this choice today. She wore well. I think next time I do a cleaner job of gluing her. I think I did I did a half-ass job. I think I put her down a little too far. I should have put her up better. I should have clipped it all back. I should have, put the glue, let it dry a little better. But, yeah, but I loved this. I will definitely wear this one more often. And this one is good because it's got no ears, so you could literally, you can put this wherever you want. It's gonna, I don't know, we gotta watch the balancing of this, but you can put this wherever you want. This is the type of wig that you can put that part wherever you want. All right, this is me signing off. Just wanted to give you the end of the night. I didn't want to forget. Okay, wanted to get back into the groove of my videos. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.